In the town of Greenfield, there is a special school called Green School. The principal, Ms. Willow, introduces the students to the importance of protecting the environment. She announces that they will embark on a year-long project to make their school and community more eco-friendly. The first project is a tree planting event. Each class is given a plot of land on the school grounds to plant trees. The students learn about the benefits of trees, such as providing oxygen, offering shade, and being homes for wildlife. They name their trees and pledge to take care of them. Ms. Willow introduces a recycling program at the school. Students learn the difference between recyclable and non-recyclable materials. They start a friendly competition between classes to see who can recycle the most. They also create posters to raise awareness about recycling. The students notice that the local park is littered with trash. They decide to form a cleanup crew to pick up litter and make the park beautiful again. They learn about the impact of litter on wildlife and the importance of proper waste disposal. The school holds an energy-saving week. Water Warriors. Students learn about renewable energy sources and ways to save energy at home and school. They create a checklist of energy-saving tips and encourage their families to join in. They also conduct an energy audit of the school. The students learn about the importance of water conservation. They visit a local water treatment plant and see how water is purified. They start a campaign to reduce water usage. A guest speaker from a local wildlife rescue center visits the school. Students learn about endangered species and how to protect wildlife habitats. They create a wildlife-friendly garden at school, planting native plants and setting up bird feeders and insect hotels. The students organize a green market day at school. They make and sell eco-friendly products like reusable bags, compost bins, and homemade natural cleaners. The proceeds go towards funding more environmental projects. The school hosts a Greenfield Fair, share what they have learned, and engage the community in fun, eco-friendly activities. The fair ends with a pledge to continue their efforts to protect the environment. Follow for more. Subscribe the channel Animation Journey 5.